Hey subbies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree here, and today we're gonna be doing a review on this wig that I have on from Love Me Hair. Now you guys, I have been wanting so bad a bob just like this, and it came just in time, and it's also the perfect length. If you guys want to see how I put this wig on without all the extras, bleaching, no plucking, for all my beginner girls who don't really want to, who don't know how to do that much, or for people who don't really like all that extra crap, okay, go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you like this video, huge thumbs up, okay? Make sure you comment below and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I see you watching me. All right. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video, y'all. Hey y'all, okay, so we have the infamous purple box, okay, Love Me Hair, and inside of this box I have here this little packaging. It comes with a comb, with some bobby pins, this extra elastic band, a clip of course, and then we have the tweezers, and I also have like a wig cap that I actually have on my head, you see. Now today I got this flat iron. It's a 3-in-1 kind of situation. We're gonna see how that works. And of course the hair. Okay, you guys, this is the hair. So this hair was really flowy. When I first put it on, it was just like so pretty, so amazing, straight out the box. All right, straight out the box, and I absolutely love that about the hair. Okay, so to go ahead and make this lace my color, I'm going to take some powder. I'm using the Black Opal face powder or foundation powder, whatever. I'm using some powder, and I'm gonna just throw this all over the lace, whatever, just to match me a little more, just to give it that bleached effect. You can just take some regular makeup and you can do it just like this, same way I did it. Now to set it, I'm gonna go ahead and take these Got To Be glues freeze spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it all over the thing, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer just to dry it up. Now this is pretty optional, but for more of an effect, I'm going to throw some of that powder onto my cap, and so that it blends even more. And then we're just going to put on the wig and see how everything is coming together. Now normally I would pluck this area so that it can, you know, look a little more natural, but because we're going for just the regular fast look, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the Got To Be freeze spray and blow dry that bad boy down. Alright, so once that's tacked down, I'm going to take this little pair of scissors just to jaggedly cut off the lace. You can also use a razor, and I'm going to also use this like band kind of thing, this wrap, to go ahead and put on the edges so it can lay that baby down. This also came with the hair. And now we're going to get into this flat iron, you guys. You can use this in 3 different ways: to curl, to crimp, and to straighten. And must I say that to straighten was really nice. All I had to do was pass once, and it just, ooh. So can you imagine what it can do on your real hair? Oh yes, I love it. thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't a lot, I know it wasn't very detailed, but like I said, this was literally for my girls who just wanna grab and go. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it.